Hello, everyone.
Hi guys, welcome back to Enjoy English Talks.
We are very happy to see you again.
Yes, very, very happy. Today we have a fun topic.
That's right. Today's topic is weekend plans.
Weekend plans. I love weekends.
Me too. I think everyone loves weekends.
Yes, no school, no work, more sleep.
And maybe good food too.
Oh yes, very important. Good food is part of every good weekend.
Guys, today we will practice easy English conversations about weekend plans.
We will use simple English
Slow English.
and real-life English.
So please relax
Listen carefully.
and practice speaking with us.
And if you enjoy this video,
Please like the video.
and subscribe to the channel for more easy English practice.
Okay, Sarah, let's begin.
Let's go.
Sarah, what do you usually do on weekends?
Good question. On weekends, I usually wake up late.
Very late?
Yes, very late. Sometimes at 10 a.m.
Wow, that is late.
I know.
I usually wake up early, even on weekends.
Really? Why?
I don't know. My body says, wake up, John.
That is not nice. Your body is too serious.
Maybe, but I like quiet mornings.
What do you do in the morning?
First, I make coffee.
Ah, yes. Coffee first. Always coffee first.
Always. Then I sit near the window and relax.
That sounds peaceful.
It is peaceful.
Guys, listen to this phrase carefully.
I usually wake up late.
Repeat after us.
I usually wake up late.
One more time, slowly.
I usually wake up late.
Very good.
Now, Sarah, what do you do after you wake up?
I make breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
Sometimes eggs and toast.
Sounds good.
Sometimes pancakes.
Oh, pancakes.
Yes, but my pancakes are not always beautiful.
Really?
Sometimes they look very strange.
Like what?
Like maps, like countries.
That's funny.
But they still taste good.
That is the important thing.
Exactly.
Guys, here is another useful phrase.
I make breakfast.
Repeat after us. I make breakfast.
Again.
I make breakfast.
Very nice.
Very nice.
John, do you cook on weekends?
A little.
Only a little?
Yes, I am not a great cook.
Really? What can you cook?
I can cook noodles
Only noodles?
and eggs.
Wow, John, amazing chef.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Do you like eating at restaurants?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite food on weekends?
Pizza.
Good answer.
What about you?
I love burgers,
Burgers are great.
especially on Friday night.
Yes, Friday night feels exciting.
Exactly. Friday night feels free.
Guys, listen to this question.
What do you usually do on weekends?
This is a very useful question.
You can ask your friends
Your classmates.
or your English partner.
Now repeat after us.
What do you usually do on weekends?
Again, slowly.
What do you usually do on weekends?
Excellent.
John, do you go out on weekends?
Sometimes.
Where do you go?
I sometimes go to the mall.
What do you do there?
I walk around.
Window shopping?
Yes, window shopping.
I do that too.
Sometimes I buy coffee.
Again with coffee.
Coffee is my best friend.
Poor John. He loves coffee more than people.
Maybe a little.
I like going to bookstores on weekends.
Oh, nice. I like bookstores too.
I can stay there for hours.
Me too. Books and quiet music, very relaxing.
Do you read many books?
Not many, but I try.
That's good.
What kind of books do you like?
Easy novels.
In English?
Yes, easy English books help me learn new words.
That's a great idea.
Guys, reading easy books is a good way to improve English.
Very true.
You do not need difficult books.
Simple books are okay.
Simple is good.
Simple is powerful.
Ooh, Teacher John is here today.
Yes, Teacher John is ready.
Okay, Teacher John, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Thank you. I am a good student.
Yes, sometimes.
Hey,
Okay, guys, when we talk about future plans, we can say,
I'm going to.
for example,
I'm going to visit my friend.
or
I'm going to stay home.
very simple.
Very useful.
Now repeat after us.
I'm going to stay home.
Again,
I'm going to stay home.
excellent.
John, what are you going to do this weekend?
This weekend, I'm going to clean my apartment.
Oh no, that sounds boring.
A little boring, yes.
Very boring.
But my apartment needs help.
Poor apartment.
Then I'm going to watch a movie
That sounds better.
and maybe meet a friend.
Nice.
What about you?
I'm going to visit my parents.
That's lovely.
Yes, my mother always cooks delicious food.
Ah, homemade food.
The best food.
Absolutely.
Then maybe I will watch TV with my family.
That sounds relaxing.
It is.
Guys, listen to this phrase carefully.
I'm going to visit my parents.
Repeat after us.
I'm going to visit my parents.
Again,
I'm going to visit my parents.
great job, everyone.
John, some people like busy weekends,
Yes,
and some people like quiet weekends.
that's true.
What kind of weekend do you like?
I like quiet weekends
Why?
because work days are busy.
Same here.
On weekends, I want to relax.
Relaxing is important.
Very important.
Sometimes people feel tired all week.
Yes, so weekends help us rest.
Guys, here is a useful sentence.
I want to relax.
Repeat after us. I want to relax.
Again,
I want to relax.
very good.
Sarah, do you exercise on weekends?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes?
Okay, not much.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I like walking in the park.
That's nice.
I also like dancing at home.
Really?
Yes, but only when nobody is watching.
Why?
Because my dancing is interesting.
Interesting?
Yes, very strange, very funny.
Now I want to see it.
No chance.
I sometimes ride my bike on weekends.
That sounds healthy.
It feels great in the morning.
Fresh air is wonderful.
Yes, it is.
Guys, do you exercise on weekends?
Think about your answer.
You can say,
Yes, I do.
or,
No, I don't.
very simple.
Very easy English.
Now let's practice a short conversation.
Okay.
John, what are you doing this Saturday?
I'm going shopping.
What are you going to buy?
Some clothes and maybe new shoes.
Nice. Are you going alone?
No, I'm going with my cousin.
That sounds fun.
Yes, I think so.
Guys, now repeat this small conversation by yourselves.
Practice speaking loudly.
Don't be shy.
Mistakes are okay.
Yes, mistakes help you learn.
Sarah, do you watch movies on weekends?
All the time.
What kind of movies do you like?
Comedy movies.
Me too.
I love laughing.
Laughter is good for you.
Exactly.
Do you watch movies in English?
Yes, sometimes with subtitles.
That is good practice.
Very good practice.
Guys, watching English movies can help your listening.
Start with easy movies.
And listen carefully to simple phrases.
You can repeat the phrases too.
That helps pronunciation.
And confidence.
Sarah, what time do you usually sleep on weekends?
Very late.
Again?
Yes, on weekends I sleep late and wake up late.
Weekend Queen.
Thank you. I accept this title.
I usually sleep around 11 p.m.
That is early.
Maybe.
Guys, here is another useful question.
What time do you usually sleep?
Repeat after us.
What time do you usually sleep?
Again, slowly.
What time do you usually sleep?
Excellent job.
Now let's talk about friends.
Okay.
Do you meet friends on weekends?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you do together?
We drink coffee.
Coffee again.
Yes, coffee is everywhere.
True.
We talk, eat, and walk around the city.
That sounds fun.
Simple things can be very fun.
I agree.
Sometimes we take pictures too.
Do you post them online?
Sometimes.
I'm not very good at taking pictures.
Really?
My pictures are always blurry.
Oh no.
Yes, my camera and I have problems.
Poor camera.
Guys, remember this phrase.
I meet my friends on weekends.
Repeat after us.
I meet my friends on weekends.
Again.
I meet my friends on weekends.
Very good.
John, some people work on weekends too.
Yes, that's true.
Not everyone is free on weekends.
Exactly.
Do you sometimes work on weekends?
Yes, sometimes.
How do you feel?
A little tired.
I understand.
But after work, I try to relax.
That's important.
Very important.
Guys, if you are busy, don't worry.
You can still practice English every day.
Even 10 minutes is good.
Listen while cooking,
Driving,
walking.
or relaxing at home.
Small practice every day helps a lot.
Yes, little by little.
Sarah, do you ever travel on weekends?
Sometimes.
Where do you like to go?
I like small towns and quiet places.
That sounds peaceful.
What about you?
I like the beach.
Oh, yes, the beach is wonderful.
I love the sound of the waves
And the fresh air.
and seafood.
John is thinking about food again.
Always.
Guys, here's another useful sentence.
I like to travel on weekends.
Repeat after us.
I like to travel on weekends.
Again, slowly.
I like to travel on weekends.
Wonderful.
Okay, Sarah, let's do quick questions.
Good idea.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Beach or mountains?
Beach.
Stay home or go out?
Stay home.
Movies or books?
Movies.
Sleep early or sleep late?
Sleep late.
Of course.
Now my turn.
Okay.
Pizza or burgers?
Pizza.
Morning or night?
Morning.
Quiet weekends or busy weekends?
Quiet weekends.
Cooking or cleaning?
Neither.
That is a very honest answer.
Thank you.
Guys, these simple questions are great speaking practice.
You can practice with friends.
Or practice alone.
Speaking practice helps your confidence.
And confidence is important when learning English.
Very important.
Before we finish, let's review some key phrases.
Great idea.
Repeat after us.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually wake up late.
I'm going to visit my parents.
I want to relax.
I meet my friends on weekends.
I like to travel on weekends.
Excellent job, everyone.
You are improving step by step.
Keep listening,
Keep speaking.
and don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are normal.
Mistakes help you learn.
Exactly.
Okay, everyone, thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed this easy English conversation practice.
And we hope you learned many useful phrases.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments.
what do you usually do on weekends?
Do you stay home?
Go out with friends?
Watch movies?
Or sleep all day like me?
And don't forget to like the video
Subscribe to the channel.
and practice English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.